What's up guys, JTech here. In this video I'll go over what's new in the alpha version 0.2.8 update for Loaded Lines main city. I also have some new charts in the stat sheet. Let's get into it. The whole update is just balancing adjustments. The first being for the avatar, tool, and treasure NFTs. Currently, we can only have one avatar equipped for benefits. However, in the future, avatar bonuses will be stackable, but with diminishing returns. Next, we have tools. Every tool now has a specific percentage bonus in-game listed here. I've added a tool tab on the stat sheet. I can show you later in the video. Next, we have backpacks. Currently, backpacks and their bonuses are infinitely stackable. So eventually, not in the current update, but together with the tool NFT integration, they will become stackable for up to 10 backpacks. And lastly, we have the treasure parameters. When introduced, combined with tools, they may take up to a combined 40 slot capacity. With all NFT parameters, the most we can achieve with them combined is a 38% gold bonus, a 13% diamond bonus, and a 27% XP bonus. Next, with the balancing adjustments, we now are awarded uncommon blueprints at all levels after 100, except for levels where we receive legendary blueprints, which are now at every 10 levels after level 100. Following are changes related to gold. Avatar gold bonuses now increase 1% every 10 levels. So at the max level, 180, we will have an 18% gold bonus. Following, again, is the decreased prestige gold income and cost multiplier for common businesses from 9.8 to 9.7. So I threw these new changes into the spreadsheet, and right away you can see at prestige 10 for a common, it already lost over 25% of its gold output compared to a legendary. And then as we move further down, prestige 25, we're below 50% of its output compared to a legendary. Just comparing the last prestige here with the previous. So it starts losing below 10% of its gold output after prestige 80. So yes, you can prestige commons very fast, but they're not even close to epics and legendaries at prestige 80. They're good in the beginning. However, once you reach the late game, I don't know if anyone will be using them unless you need them for prestige requirements. While we're here, I have a new tools tab for the stats here for each tool. I also added a prize pool tab. I would say anyone in the top 300 are receiving a decent prize reward. But like always, I have this sheet in the description below. If you want to see what award you'll be receiving at what rank, I have all 1,000 here. So just to recap, tools tab, updated gold output, and prize pool has been updated. All the other tabs are still here. Moving on, we have some changes related to diamonds. First, avatar diamond bonus increases 2% every 10 levels. Next, diamond bonus multiplier increased from 2 to 6. So now when I buy diamonds, I now get 1.48 million diamonds for every 20 crow, instead of 1 million. Lastly, the diamond production for the Arid Plains lands changed again. If you own a land NFT, your Arid Plains lands change from 200,000 diamonds to 180,000. And those that don't have an NFT land changed from 180,000 to 160,000 diamonds per hour. So that's everything in the 0.2.8 update. Here is what is scheduled coming soon. We will be able to use the tool NFTs in-game, along with fixes related to displaying large quantities for NFTs, further prestige system improvements, which they elaborated with a lot of information here. Following, we have avatar NFT bonus improvements, market UI and filter improvements, more incentives for new players to join through the Access Pass, enhanced game access to the wider public. First competitive season will be announced 1 to 2 weeks in advance. I think this update was more of a setup update for what's to come, and I still think it's funny we are waiting on the delete all furniture button. Anyways, what do you want to see next in Loaded Lines main city? Like always, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.